Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulus, and in this video I'm going to be sharing all about the PropOptions Cake Compass. The Cake Compass is a revolutionary tool which will totally transform the way you decorate both real and dummy cakes. It's been engineered with precision to help you easily decorate cakes with great accuracy, and after having one for years, I honestly don't know how I ever managed without it. It comes deconstructed in its separate pieces. So in the main kit, first we have the premium acrylic dimension disc, which has cake sizes engraved in both inches and centimetres. We have rubber feet which come separately, and you can add them on to make it non-slip, or you can leave them off if you prefer. And it comes in both round and square in various sizes from 12 inches plus. Also in the kit we have the food grade stainless steel metal plate with PropSecure pins, and the PropSecure pins simply screw into place and of course are universal across the entire PropSecure range. Also available in the Cake Compass range are the additional acrylic plates. Now these come in a huge range of sizes from 4 inches plus and are again available in round or square. They come with a pre-drilled central dowel hole and are PropSecure compatible, so no more drilling holes in your cardboard cake boards trying to line them up for your PropSecure separators. These just slot seamlessly in place. Each of the additional acrylic plates come in 3 different size variations, so they can be used as a cake board sized on the inch, or as a guide for your buttercream or ganache sized at 0.25 or 0.5 inches larger. And these give you a really handy guide to help get that perfectly even professional finish on your cakes. The entire Cake Compass collection is food safe, washable using hot soapy water, and fully reusable. So you only have to purchase it once and then you can use it again and again indefinitely. The additional acrylic plates mean that you can decorate unlimited dummy and real cakes at a time without having to stop and wash this up in between. It really is a game changer and something I personally use for every single one of my cakes. Join me in my next 2 videos where I'll be demonstrating exactly how to use the Cake Compass with both real and dummy cakes. And comment below or send us a message if you have any questions at all. Don't forget to head on over to the PropOptions YouTube channel for tips, tutorials and more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!